Prayagraj, where heritage and harmony captures the soul of this ancient city along with different cultures. And amidst this citizen housing presence, the launch of the year, Citizen Ram Niwas, a luxurious residential project which will be one of a kind project in Prayagraj, as it features a 15-level tower which is highest in the region. This urban luxury property is centrally located in the posh Civil Lines area of Prayagraj. There are multiple ways to reach the site. Route 1 from Prayagraj Junction and Airport. Route 2 from Civil Lines. And another alternate route via Stanley Road which connects with Lucknow and Pratapgarh. Let's begin our journey at Prayagraj Junction. Enveloped by verdant greenery, the serene echoes of its historic allure. As we glide along Station Road, notice the seamless blend of old world charm and modern day vibrancy. Station Road serves a key connector, bustling with life and energy. On to the left, the majestic Allahabad High Court emerges, an iconic symbol of justice and one of the oldest High Court in India. Continuing on the path straight from Eklavya Chauraha, observe the serene surroundings of the area. St. Mary's School Primary Wing is just a minute's drive away from your future home, with citizen housing crown jewel Neo Heights in the vicinity. On Clive Road, you'll find Ram Niwas, an exclusive project designed for elevated living. From its pinnacle, you can proudly gaze at the expansive horizon where the sacred Ganga flows. Route 2 leads you from the Civil Lines bus stop to Citizen Ram Niwas. Just a short drive away, you'll find yourself at the renowned MG Marg, where the Civil Lines bus stand offers added convenience. Turning right from Subhash Chauraha brings you closer to the Central Business District CBD. As you entered Sardar Patel Marg after crossing Hot Stuff Chauraha, a key landmark, along with Vinayak City Centre, West Side and Shopper Stop, adding to your shopping and leisure experience. Taking a left from Hira Halwai and Tanishq Chauraha brings you closer to Citizen Ram Niwas. Feel the refreshing breeze and experience the wide road of the area as we near St. Mary's School Primary Wing, just a minute away. We are now arriving at the housing project of the year, Citizen Ram Niwas at Clive Road. Being centrally located in the heart of the city, our project is well connected to the Lucknow route via Stanley Road. This is an alternate route to Ram Niwas coming from Pratapgarh and Lucknow. Experience the panoramic view from Stanley Road, which is vibrant and natural surroundings, making the area truly remarkable. Our journey continues on Stanley Road, steeped in history, showcasing how Prayagraj has transformed into one of Uttar Pradesh's leading cities in growth, scalability and civic excellence. The region is highlighted with Belly Hospital and has multi-speciality hospitals and clinics in the vicinity, along with other healthcare facilities such as blood banks and pharmacies. Continuing forward, you'll find Traffic Police Chauraha and Allahabad Police Line, enhancing the safety and security of the neighborhood. All government offices, DM and Police Commissioner's residences are in close proximity. Turning right from Maharana Pratap Chauraha brings you closer to Ram Niwas. Nearby, you will find Boys High School, inspiring young minds. You are now at Dhobi Ghat Chauraha, a prominent landmark along the route, passing by the Legend Hotel, which is another landmark on Thornhill Road. The charm of this vicinity is unique, perfectly placed close to all the modern amenities the city has to offer. Yet, away from traffic congestion, taking a right turn from here brings you to your new dream home at Ram Niwas by Citizen Housing. Discover Ram Niwas, where you can rise above the urban clutter in the setting of unparalleled peace and tranquility. The proposed building, towering up to 15 levels, will be pinnacle of success, which will stand as the tallest structure in the entire locality. You are now taking 360 degrees panoramic view from the eventual terrace level of Citizen Ram Niwas. Explore the nearby convenience and their short drive time from the project, making it more than just a place to live. It's a hub of convenience, within a serene setting. Azad Park, Allahabad University, civil lines, government office enclaves, banks, hotels, shopping, all just a 5-minute leisurely drive away. An evening coffee with friends at the Sky Terrace on the 11th floor of the proposed building makes the ambience exceptional and unforgettable. A quiet read, a family get-together, a stroll in the park, yoga and wellness, or just gaze at the beautiful sunset, Citizen Ramnivas is a place where every day ends beautifully. Contact us today and step into a life you have always envisioned. Citizen Housing, Suraksha और भरोसा।